Hello. Hi everyone. Namaste to you all. Namaste is the trend right now. Do we have any viewers? Okay, let me check. I'll just share the video. You guys also please do share the video. Can you guys see me? Okay, I have 8 viewers. Hi Aditi. Hi Brinda. Hello Alka. Chandni. Yeah, I can see the video. Okay guys, how have you all been? Kanika, hi. And how is the social distancing working for you all? I hope everyone is safe in their homes. Please guys, do not get out of the house. जितना हो सके घर में रहो. I am okay, Isha. Thank you. Waiting for your live. Yeah, Aditi. I know. Acha, first of all, I would like to tell you all, I really want to apologize for being this release to being delayed for around 1 month now. Last month was very bad for me and my family. My father had to undergo a bypass surgery, because of which I was totally terrified, as my father is everything to me. He is the backbone behind me, my business. I really can't do anything without him. And it shook me because he is a very active person. Seeing him in that condition was not at all, acceptable for me. I could not take it very well. So it really shook me a lot. But thankfully, by the grace of God, he is all okay now. So, and it took me quite a while to get back to work though he was released from hospital on 10th of February, but my mind frame was not correct. I am speaking right now here because my father does not generally watch my live videos, so thankfully he will not be seeing all this, otherwise he does not like talking about his health. So that was the reason. Many of you who are close to me know this. Many of you really don't know anything. Because of this, my messages were full. What about the new release? When are you getting it? When are you have tempted us showing it earlier, but I'm really sorry, I really could not handle it. And now I am ready with the release, but I wanted to inspire you all with the release. So I thought I will take my time, make some projects, and then only release. So that is the reason it took me another month to create all the inspirations. So I can see quite a lot of people now. So let's not waste time and start with the release. Are you all ready? Give me a yay. Show me some hearts. Hi auntie. Okay, so I can't say any hearts. मैं नहीं शुरू करूँगी ऐसे. Yeah. Show me some hearts. Yeah, now I can see the hearts popping. Okay, so let's start. I'll just adjust my camera for the mat. Just give me a moment, okay? I guess this is fine now. The work area is okay. Yeah, this is okay now. Okay. So here is the first die. The fillers have not being accomplished till now. So this is filler number 5 and these are the die cuts. Achha, all the dies are live on the website now. I have done it already and all the dies are live on the website. Am I upside down? Am I upside down? Anyone can tell me? Hello? I'll just check on my phone. Okay, fine. So this is the first die. This is Floral Fillers 5, beautiful intricate leaves. See, very pretty die. And these are very reasonable priced. These are 350 rupees for a pair of leaves. The next is Floral Fillers 4. Floral Fillers 4 is again, it is a filler with leaves and flowers. It's a very pretty die again. Are you all with me? Give me a heart. Show me you're there. Yeah, I can see the light now. Okay. There are many of you from the Muslim community who have been asking me. I do not make anything from them. So as Eid is round the corner in April, this is a Eid Mubarak die for all my Muslim friends. It comes with a shadow. It's very intricate. Look at this. This is very beautiful. The font and everything. And this comes with a shadow. So all those, India is a very secular country. Even I use these dies to send cards to my friends. And I have another combination. I don't know where I have lost my Eid word here somewhere. So this is the die, the second one. The third die for today. This is the, okay, this here is Eid. Is it visible to you all clearly? This is also priced at 350 rupees, very reasonably priced for the set of 2 dies. Okay, so here goes the third die. Now comes the fun part. This is the die Elegant Filigree. It's a very intricate and very beautiful die. Look at this. I will share the inspirations in one go at the end of the video. So stay with me, please. You will really not repent staying. वैसे भी आज, today is a curfew day. What will you do? Where will you go? Can you see this? It's a very pretty die. On any kind of a background, it looks really pretty. I don't have anything. Okay, look. It is very beautiful, very intricate. And you put tiny flowers or beads or anything on this. It looks really pretty. I hope I am visible to you all. Pour in some comments. I am getting bored. I should know now you are watching and you are enjoying it also. I can see your comments, but after Neha Sharma, no one has commented here. So this is the die. I will share the inspirations later, as I told you. This is the die. The size approximately, I don't have a scale right now. Just a moment, I'll just grab a scale. Okay, the size approximately is 2 inches wide and 3.5 inches approximate. Yeah, 3.5 by 2, 2.5. This portion must be a little more than 2. Okay, so the fourth die now, fifth die. Fifth die is classic doily, crochet doily, and again it comes with the cover, as I like to work with the dies with cover. For this die I did not get the cover made. I think I thought that this die would look nice as it is, but I think I should have got the cover done. It is always better to have a cover. So this is the die, the doily, the crochet doily, the regular one, and this is the die cut. Look how beautiful and intricate it is. It is a very, very beautiful die. Hi, now I can see some comments. And this is also priced very reasonably. It is I guess 650 rupees for a set of 2 dies. This is the another combination, white and silver, silver and white. It's very beautiful, very intricate die. Okay, so who wants more laces? I never get bored of laces, do you? I am always so, enthused seeing all the laces what I create, and it's so pretty and intricate. This one, this is the ornamental lace. Such a beautiful and intricate die. Look at this. Isn't it? And you know what? I was just wondering that day, like if I just take out these leaves, it can work as a bandhanwar also. The leaf bandhanwar which we use for Diwali and everything. It will look so pretty like that. And these medallions can be used also otherwise, like not as a lace but otherwise also. It's very pretty, very intricate. And this comes with the base as well. And these dies are hefty, 8.5 inches long. And approximately this is 1.5 or 2 inches. 1.5 inch. Someone today was telling me, I think Jagruti Devi was asking me to get the dies made for 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. What do you think, guys? Should I get those done? The smaller dies, less wider. I think that is a nice idea, because till now I have around how many borders? 3 first release, then 2, 4 or 5 borders till now I have released. All are very intricate and beautiful ones, but they are all wide. I have not so far released any thin borders. I think I should work on those. I will get it done for the next release. See how pretty is this? Another combination. This is the die. This is the lace die and this is the cover die. It comes like this in the packing. And this is for 650 rupees again. They're pretty large. These dies are pretty, long. Another lace is the Chantilly lace. It is again one of my very favorite ones. It's a very beautiful die. Hi Afreen. Hi Nandita. Okay, so this is again another die. It's very beautiful Chantilly lace die. And this again is, I think, 8.5 inches. 8.5 inches, something like that. They are bigger than, those also. What do you call that? The envelope size. They are bigger than the envelope also. It's like this. This is the die. And this is the cover for the die. Okay. Yes, Nandita, actually I really suggest to use a metal shim. Not exactly a metal shim. You can also use a paper shim also. Or maybe 1 paper, 2 paper. You have to work it out according to your machine, because these are pretty intricate dies. So, and every machine has a different caliber. because all the machines with the normal wear and tear, I generally now, my machine is so used up that I generally now use 2 metal shims instead of 1. But I would not suggest anyone to use like that, because you really have to work your way to get a perfect sandwich and perfect thickness. So yes, I would suggest you to use a shim, not exactly a metal shim, though I would like to, metal shim works better. Otherwise you can use a magnetic sheet beneath that, but it gets spoiled after a certain time for sure. But it is just the matter of thickness. You have to increase the thickness of your sandwich, what you're creating. Hi Sangmitra. So this was another die. Now comes the envelope flap die. This is my favorite die. Look at the cutout. It is so beautiful and so intricate. Like, on an envelope you really do not need anything else. You just put this thing. See how pretty it's looking. And even on the flap, I have done it on the flap also. I have cut the flap with the border dies by DCAM. You remember those borders which I had created earlier? I had cut it like this and pasted this envelope, this flap here. This is floral envelope flap, the name of the die, and such a pretty die. I have done nothing on this envelope and it looks really elegant and pretty. Yes, Chandni, golden looks very good on black. So this is the die and it is pretty huge. It is exactly the size of the envelope. It will fit on your envelope flap perfectly. You just have to, work with this. I have not given a score line on this because I wanted to give you an option how big you want to use it. If I give you a score line, then you are restricted with one simple row. So I left it to you because scoring is not a difficult thing. You can do it on your own. We all have scoreboards. Even if we don't, we just need a scale. We just need a scale and a bone folder, and we can score it like this. So it is not a hassle. So I did not give a score line on this. And it is again a very beautiful die. I hope you all liked it. And my favorite of the lot is this baby. This is the iron gate die. Many students of mine who joined my course have this die because I used it in my course and I gave them the access to, buy them before the launch. So my students have them. I have already sold one lot of this die and the second lot is here with me. And this die also comes with a cover. This die basically does not, come out. It does not come out as a rectangle. It cuts in between the paper. If you can see here, this is the envelope and I have cut in between the envelope. Can you see this? I have cut in between the envelope. So it creates a window. If you want to cut it as a rectangle, you need the shadow. I don't have my shadow die handy here. I think I have got it in the store and today I am at home. So this is the, if you can see, this is the shadow. It is a rectangle die basically of the size as a shadow. Like जैसी इनकी shadows हैं सबकी, laces की और उसकी, उसी के हिसाब से इसकी rectangle shadow आएगी. इस तरह की shadow इसके आसपास, ठीक है? And that will help you cut out like this. This is basically cut from a shadow. This rectangle I had cut out from the shadow without keeping the die. So this is exactly what you will get. Got it? It is a very, very beautiful die. And for this I wanted to show it to you. If you want, you can cut it in between the envelope. And you can, just place a simple plain paper or a shimmer paper or any specialty paper, whatever you feel like. And your envelope is done. See how pretty is this? Even this one. It is a set of 2 dies and I think I have priced it for around 1000 rupees. It was a little expensive die. So this is sofa. And last but not the least, this is the gable box die. It is a very big size die. It is A4 size die. It will work in all the A4 size machines. This die is approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and a half. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.5 by, I think 8.5 or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5 inches long. And I'll show you the sample abhi. I'll show you how to assemble this also. So I need two pieces of this die. This is the die cut of this die. This die has a little flaw. This die was made last year by DCAM, but I did not release it because it has a flaw. But many of my loyal customers or my friends who really they go beyond, like they don't wait for the releases and they talk to me a lot, and they have already bought this die a year back, I guess. Some of you have this, yeah. So it has a little flaw. When I'll just show you. I'll make the die, assemble the box, and then I'll show you what is the flaw. So I was not releasing this because I did not want to spoil my name, but then those people encouraged me ki, why don't you release it, because it is such a lovely die, because it is such a good size, and if you do not release it, the flaw is very minor, it does not matter. Actually it doesn't for me, but as a company I was thinking to release it or no, but then they said give it on a discounted price if you feel bad. So this die was supposed to be for 2,000 rupees. My costing is more than what I'm selling for now, and I'm selling it for 1,500 rupees. And yes, the discount code will apply, obviously, with the new releases. I always come out with the discount code, but I want to make sure of one thing, guys, because the shipping will be delayed right now. As you all know, due to coronavirus, everything is shut down, and my staff is not coming for another till 31st. I am the only one who's handling. I will be going to the store on and off, but not every day. So, and all preventive measures are being taken through us. So don't worry about all that, but we will take time because we do not really want to, couriers to go by now. So I have just used 2 pieces of tape, and on both the hinges here I will just paste them like so. Two pieces of die, and you have to paste it like this, and then you will just close it like this. But I like to use a piece of paper, both sides, inside and outside, so that it gives you the sturdiness. And because this is a very big size box, you can hold the paper, like it can hold a lot of stuff. You can use it to gift cupcakes, muffins, etc. It's a very good size box. I'll share with you what is the exact size. So this is the box, and these 2 flaps will be folded outside. This will be inside, this will be outside. Then again, this will be inside, and this flap will be folded outside. All the 4 lines are there. And okay, the flaw, I'll tell you what the flaw is. can you see this? These two holes, they should match, but they don't. There is a slight gap of approximately 2/8 of an inch. It's more than 1/8, but I think it is less than quarter. So approximately 1.5/8. Okay. So this is the only flaw which I don't think is visible by. It does make a difference. But I was very, when I drew this die on my own, and this is my mistake what I did, and I was very embarrassed by it. So for 1 year I had hoarded this die and I did not release it. But now my students and my friends, well-wishers, they have, forced me to do so now. So this is the complete box. It looks very beautiful. I would suggest that you please paste another piece of paper. I had one piece of paper here lying, but I don't know where did I keep it. So this is the assembled box, and this is a very good size box, and it is for 1500 rupees only, and the size of the box is approximately 5.5 by, I'm telling you the size of the content right now, 3.5, and otherwise the box is approximately 6.5 inches tall, and it is 3 inches deep also. This is 3 inches. It's a very beautiful box, but it has a flaw, and I'm telling you so. This die was supposed to be for 2000 rupees, but now on a discounted price it is for 1500 rupees because of the flaw, and 10% extra off till 31st March. The orders will go as in